before we get on to this video, if you like what you see, make sure you support me on Patreon. Everything is very much appreciated. And also, if you want to request things for me to react to, movies, albums, songs, definitely make sure you check me out on Streamlabs. Both of those links are in the description. And with that being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out. What's up, guys? I'm checking out more of the Seatbelts. This one's titled Tank, requested by Will Thomas on Streamlabs. Big shout out to you. Haven't heard this one before. That being said, let's go ahead and check it out. Tank. Very sporadic.
I think it's time to blow this scene. Get everybody in the stuff together. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
Okay, yeah, this is sick, man. It's like reminding me of like a James Bond type of vibe, even though I feel like I don't think I've ever seen like a James Bond film, but like that, I don't know. It's kind of giving me those vibes though. That was super chaotic, but also just sick at the same time. I love that, like, touch of jazz added to it as well. I don't know if it was just me. It felt like they were going for like a James Bond-esque theme with like a touch of jazz added on top. But yeah, that was real dope, man. I definitely enjoyed it. I probably wouldn't listen to it again just because I don't know. I don't know. It just had like that, the vibe, I guess. But I think the song production wise was absolutely insane, and that was dope, man. That was real cool to listen to, and yeah, that was the Seatbelts Tank. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.